In 2025, the smartwatch scene is taking a bold step forward, and the spotlight is squarely on the Garmin FENIX 8 Pro. This isn't just another iteration, this is a power move. Garmin is rethinking what it means to wear a smartwatch, and the result is a wearable that speaks directly to hardcore adventurers, elite athletes, and tech enthusiasts who demand nothing short of top-tier performance, rugged durability, and deep health integration. Welcome to Technology Review. Today we're unpacking everything you need to know about the leaked Garmin FENIX 8 Pro, from new GPS capabilities to health sensors that could rival hospital tech, all the way down to surprising design shifts and a potential price hike that might just be worth it. Smarter, stronger, sleeker. Garmin has been leading the rugged smartwatch segment for years, but with the FENIX 8 Pro, they're rewriting the rulebook. Leaked renders suggest a refined physical design, a slimmer chassis, smoother edges, and improved strap fit that prioritizes comfort without sacrificing strength. Titanium casing, sapphire crystal protection, and build quality that's made to thrive in the harshest environments are still part of the DNA, but everything looks cleaner and feels lighter. The size options will reportedly remain familiar, around 47 millimeters for the standard and 51 millimeters for the larger Pro model. This gives users flexibility depending on wrist size and screen preference. But this year, it's more about refinement than redefinition, with Garmin focusing on polishing up what already works and enhancing wearability across all-day use. Upgraded GPS, better than ever before. If there's one thing Garmin does better than almost anyone else, it's navigation. And this year, it's leveling up again. The FENIX 8 Pro is expected to integrate enhanced multi-band GNSS technology, offering pinpoint location accuracy even in challenging terrain. Whether you're trail running in dense forest or navigating skyscraper-lined cityscapes, your position will lock faster and more accurately than ever before. And finally, wireless charging. Yes, it might finally happen. Say goodbye to proprietary cradles and finicky docks. If Garmin includes Qi wireless charging support, users will be able to top up on any pad they already own. It's a long-requested feature that modernizes the FENIX experience. Next-level health monitoring. The Garmin FENIX 8 Pro isn't just a fitness tracker. It's looking more and more like a medical-grade device on your wrist. Leaks point to Garmin's newest Elevate V5 sensor system, equipped with advanced red and green LEDs to provide more accurate heart rate readings during high-intensity activities. But the real headline? ECG support might finally be here. This would elevate the FENIX 8 Pro to a new category, one that rivals the Apple Watch Series 9 in cardiac monitoring. If true, you'll be able to detect irregular heart rhythms like AFib directly from your wrist, paired with continuous blood oxygen monitoring, respiration tracking, HRV, and perhaps even skin temperature sensing. This could make the FENIX 8 Pro a complete personal health lab. And with a revamped sleep dashboard on the way, you'll get deep insights into your recovery with visuals and timelines that make sense at a glance. Adaptive fitness and smarter training. Garmin is also leaning into AI-based performance training. The FENIX 8 Pro might introduce an enhanced Garmin coach, complete with machine learning capabilities. The idea is that your workouts will no longer be static or predetermined. Instead, your watch will respond to your actual performance, adapting pace goals, recovery windows, and future sessions based on how you train and how your body responds in real time. This could be a game changer for serious athletes. Dynamic training that adjusts like a real-life coach could help users avoid injury, improve consistency, and actually stick to their goals. On the companion app side, Garmin Connect is reportedly getting a facelift. The redesigned app may feature intuitive timelines, storytelling visuals, and even video coaching baked directly into the interface. Whether you're learning proper form or following a stretching routine, this could take the platform from data tracker to digital trainer. More music, more freedom, more fun. Garmin knows that lifestyle integration matters too, and the FENIX 8 Pro seems ready to deliver. With better offline Spotify support, Users will be able to sync playlists and podcasts more easily, enabling true phone-free workouts and adventures. Garmin Pay is also expected to expand, offering broader compatibility and more regions. Whether you're grabbing a post-run smoothie or picking up essentials mid-hike, tap-and-go payments are likely to be faster and more seamless. And for the first time, we may see LTE become a default feature across FENIX models. This opens the door for real-time messaging, live tracking, and safety alerts even without your phone nearby. Whether you're deep in the backcountry or just out for a jog, the FENIX 8 Pro could keep you connected in a way that's practical and secure. Connect IQ Evolution. Garmin's app and widget store, Connect IQ, is also due for a major refresh. Expect faster loading, easier navigation, and a better discovery experience for finding custom watch faces, fitness tools, and third-party integrations. This will likely bring a more personalized feel to the FENIX 8 Pro, giving users more control over how their device looks and behaves. The shift seems to be toward openness, letting developers expand the watch's capabilities and making it more useful in every part of your day. The price of excellence. Of course, all this tech comes at a price. The base Garmin FENIX 8 Pro is rumored to launch at around $799. That's the same entry point as the FENIX 7, but upgraded editions featuring LTE, titanium, and sapphire glass could break the $1,000 barrier. It's a steep ask, but for users who need a true adventure-ready wrist companion with serious smarts, it might be well worth the investment. This isn't just a watch. It's a health monitor, GPS navigator, fitness assistant, and smartwatch all rolled into one tough, beautiful package. Release date and final thoughts. The Garmin FENIX 8 Pro is expected to officially launch in late summer 2025, likely in August or early September, just ahead of the holiday fitness push and seasonal outdoor adventures. If you're still using a FENIX 5 or 6, the leap to the 8 Pro will feel massive. Even FENIX 7 owners might find compelling reasons to upgrade, especially if the ECG and wireless charging rumors hold up. And if you're new to Garmin altogether, this could be the ultimate starting point, a fully formed, do-everything smartwatch that doesn't compromise. At Technology Review, we believe the FENIX 8 Pro could set a new bar, not just for Garmin, but for the entire smartwatch industry. As competitors chase fashion and lifestyle, Garmin is doubling down on performance, durability, and meaningful health data. This is a wearable built for people who do more. Stay tuned. As soon as Garmin makes it official, we'll bring you full coverage, hands-on impressions, and a real-world test to see if this next-gen FENIX is everything it promises to be.